Hi, this is John. There are many shortcuts in Excel, but if you don't use it, you forget it. Today I'm going to share you 3 very useful shortcuts that can be very useful to you. Let's get started. The first one is how to sum a bunch of numbers in Excel. Most of people would use sum, and this is what I did in the past as well. But this is not the way I used in my daily life. Let's remove them. Select everything and then press Alt and equal. You'll get the result just in a second. Isn't that cool? The second shortcut I'm going to show you is how to convert everything into a super table. Select everything and then press Ctrl T and enter. So you can change the color scheme. It also comes with a filter, so you can check whatever you want to present, which is very cool. Now let's restore the table, and I'm going to show you the third shortcut that you can plot all the data just in a second. First, you need to select all the table and then hit Alt and F1. Now you have the plot just in a second. Let's move to the right. As you can see, the x-axis is the names and the y-axis is the salary, bonus, and the subtotal. Another cool function I want to show you is you can move this table into a different data sheet. So click yes. So now this figure has been moved into chart 3 as a separate one, so you can see it very clearly. I think it's a very cool know-how. Everyone should know how to do it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you like to learn something else, feel free to leave your comments. I'll see you next time.